Hello everyone! Today's video I will show you how to make your own curved corner ruler. One like this. This kind of curved corners ruler are very handy to our sewing or craft projects. So they are very quick and easy to make. I'm sorry, this hardboard is very ugly, don't you think? So in the end of the video, I will show you how to customize your ruler. And I hope I can help you to save some money. So let's go! To make our curved corners ruler, we are going to need a piece of hard paper. I used a hardboard. We are going to need a ruler, a compass. But if you don't have one, don't worry, we will show you how to do it without it as well. A pin with a round head and a cutter. Our curved corner ruler is going to measure 15 centimeters per 15 centimeters. So this ruler he have 25 centimeters per 15. So we just need to put the edge on the ruler on the edge of the hardboard like this. And measure 15 centimeters to each sides like this. And now we just need to cut it. Be careful with your fingers. All cut. Now we have a square measuring 50 centimeters per 15 centimeters, and it is going to be our base for our curved ruler. Now we are going to measure different measurements, 3, 4, 5 and 6 centimeters. So now, with the compass, what we are going to do, we are going to put the sharp thing on this corner, here, oops, here, and measure here to here is the same measurement of this here. Okay, so this will have 3 centimeters. If you come to the ruler, you can measure 3 centimeters and it will be the same. So let's okay, I don't know if you can see. So here will be the 4 centimeters. So for the ones who don't have a compass, we need to use a piece of paper like this. What we are going to do is we are going to measure 1 centimeter each until the end. Whoops. 1 until 7. Now we are going to number it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now on the middle here, you can find the middle. You're going to put our pin here like this, and then we are going to pin on the corner as well. So here with the 6, we are going to fold the 6. Okay, you can see the 6 is on the edge, and this line here on the beginning needs to be aligned with this one. So I'm going to put the pin on this hole here. It's easier to work like that, okay? So with the pin, you're going to fix the pin here, and with the pen, you are going to roll and mark. Are you liking this idea? So don't forget to give me your thumbs up. It's somewhere here. Come on. And mark just tiny bits all the way until the end. And as you can see, it's going to be with the same line of the compass. So you don't need the compass to do it. All done. You can see you don't need the compass. So now you just need to cut and trim off the hardboard. So to cut, this hand with the scissor is not the one who is going to go around. You're going to stay with this hand straight, and this hand is going to roll. And why is that? Because you want a perfect curve without any corners. So when you go for the fabric and pass the line, it's gonna be perfect. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed this idea. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and turn the notifications on so you can be notified for the next video. Mwah!